thing to show how to fold it. So once you have it, you just divide into twos. Make sure you're not blocking, and you just roll it, and you just there you have it. Welcome to the review of Bellroy Cooler Caddy. You can see you can bundle this into a packable bag, and this is this magnetic, the stainless steel strap hook. You can actually also use this as a bottle opener from this, and this actually you can flatten it, but inside it's really voluminous. You can see it's water coated internal, so if you have anything liquid or anything, it won't spill, and at the same time when some in the rain, water won't penetrate because it's water resistant. You can see the zipper, water coated, PU coated zipper, YKK zipper, and it's very easy to attach, and you can just close it. And actually one cool thing about it is it just adjusts to its volume. You can also make it bigger or smaller depending on your load. I can literally put everything, say for example my pouch, type pouch, mug, as an example. You can see how big is the mug, and on the bottom but it easily fits in. I can put a tissue box inside. It's not an issue, and still you have spaces left, and you can actually zip it up and close it. One interesting fact though, you can actually attach to the back, the side strap to the back. I will show you what I mean. So considering I'm wearing this, the crumpler tucker bag, you can actually put this in and actually carry this. The Cooler Caddy, and you can carry your lunch on the side, and you won't even feel any difference. And it's very easy to hook. And I've carried my lunch, and it doesn't have any issues. So these are all made from recycled material, so should be durable. They're backed by 3-year Bellroy's warranty. So there you go.